One weak spot in the supply chain is all attackers need to threaten your entire enterprise. You need device security that provides peace of mind through comprehensive, modern, and resilient oversight. ThinkShield Build Assure, powered by Intel Transparent Supply Chain, secures commercial devices from factory to fleet. An automated end-to-end verification system provides holistic visibility for hardware and firmware, so you can confirm authenticity before you deploy. Lenovo commercial devices with ThinkShield Build Assure come with a digital certificate backed by Intel Transparent Supply Chain technology. The solution ensures tamper-free manufacturing, shipping, and delivery, and protects your enterprise from counterfeit parts, supply chain attacks, and compromised endpoints. ThinkShield Build Assure is designed for regulated industries. It simplifies compliance with digitally signed records of hardware and firmware security for your zero-trust environment.
This gives your security analysts and endpoint managers
one place to verify and validate fleets at scale and meet multiple industry-specific compliance regulations and directives. ThinkShield Build Assure provides the peace of mind enterprises need without sacrificing operational efficiency. Comprehensive, modern, resilient. ThinkShield Build Assure by Lenovo. Advanced protection for all.
Lenovo.